Hey, moms and dads, are you tired of endless rounds of antibiotics and medications only to see your child get sick again and again? You're probably fed up sitting in doctors' waiting rooms to get another prescription or walking through the drug aisle of your store, feeling like you're suppressing symptoms but not really getting to the root of helping your child's immune system thrive. So, in this video, I want to explain to you why your child's immune system gets out of balance, leading to that vulnerability to become sick more easily, and what you can do to actually help their immune system start to grow and thrive to build natural immunity and natural resiliency. One of the things that we see as a common missing piece for parents is understanding that stress built up in your child's body, specifically in their nervous system, is often at the root to a weak immune system. You see, your child's immune system is actually controlled by their nervous system. There's two branches of the nervous system that make this happen. There is the fight flight side, which is the gas pedal, the go, go, go. And there's the rest digest side. This is called the parasympathetic. And this is what brings us down to restore our body. So if your kid's running around on the playground, they need gas pedal, they need that sympathetic, that go, 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 fight, flight side. But if there's chronic external stresses coming at your child, or maybe they came at your child earlier on in life, what they can do is allow this fight, flight side to start to set up shop. When that happens, now your child starts to lose the ability to go into deep sleep, to recover at night. They lose their ability to properly digest their food. Maybe they're constipated or had reflux as a baby. Maybe you feel like they're just not absorbing things the way they should. So you've tried essential oils, you've tried vitamins and supplements and all these things to try to boost their immunity, but it feels like you're hitting your head against the wall and not making progress. You see, if stress starts to create an imbalance in your child's nervous system and stress mode becomes stuck on, now their body, when a bug does come at it, doesn't have the next level of resiliency to kick it out because they haven't had the ability to properly start to recover and get back on track, even from just the day-to-day things, running around on the playground, going to school, dealing with kids and social interactions, going through growth spurts. All these things take a lot of energy for a kid. That's why they need to sleep more than an adult. And if they're not in rest and recovery mode, now their energy starts to deplete and they lose resiliency. So this is something we actually measure in our office. There's a technology called heart rate variability that we have an advanced version of that helps us see, is your kid's gas pedal stuck on, or do they have access to their brake pedal? Has their nervous system been worn down over time, or do they actually have a pretty high level of resiliency? We also have sets of scans that measure individual sections of the nervous system to see, are the nerves that control the immune system as robust and healthy and strong as they need to be. Because what happens is, if this stress is stuck on inside your child's body and you don't know about it, that's when you start to feel like you're losing options. You start to say, well, my child gets sick, and when they do, I know they're going to have this fever they can't kick, or they don't sleep at night, so they're coughy and oozy and sniffly and snuffy, and you need the cough suppressant, or you need the fever reducer, or you need the antibiotic. And what happens with that is now your child starts to have a medication every time they're sick, which maybe in the moment it's okay, but if this is the recurring pattern, their immune system never gets a chance to practice on its own. And this is something that we love to help parents help give their kid that ability, that skill to be able to gain that skill, is supporting your child's immune system to actually, when a bug comes at it, take it through the full cycle, kick it out on its own, and become stronger as a result. Because our immune systems, they're like the muscles in our body. Without proper work, they don't get stronger. And if they're relying on outside interventions, they never have a chance to really get stronger. So if this is something you'd like to learn more about to see if your child's nervous system is stuck in stress mode, if their overall resiliency has been drained down and this is why they can't kick the sick on their own, please reach out to our office. We'd love to help. We'd love to see if we can help your child's immune system get back on track.